Alright, people have been asking me about transparency windows and stuff like that. Now you really cannot do like true transparency in Nautilus. I don't believe they just don't have that feature. Um, so you can do something like with the Windows decorator or some compass stuff or minor stuff, but not really true transparency. Okay. So I showed you last time how to do the panel transparency and the terminal. This time we're gonna do what was it, the menus. I think a lot of people know about this already. Okay, so the menus, you need the Compass, the advanced manager, and you have to go to enable this opacity here, right? And when you enable it, you do have this thing, but it's not really that useful. You hold Alt and you have the scroll wheel, okay, and it does give you the transparent thing, but that's really not what you're looking for, okay. Now the thing in here you can do is with your menus up top here. Um, you have a little transparency in your menus. That's because you can actually tell it to give it the opacity that you want. So like here you can do either singles or like all of it at one time. Let me do a new one. So if you want to do like a drop down menu, put the drop down menu and you set the opacity probably 80, 70 or something like that. I don't know, put 90 here, right? And that's that. Or you can do like all three at one time, which let me see what I did. I did menus, pop up menu, and so on and so forth, and then set the values again, blah blah blah, and that's it. Okay, and that's how you would have the transparency on the menus here. Okay. Another way, I don't think a lot of people know about this one, but you can use your gconf editor. So you push Alt F2 and you have this run command here, and now you type in gconf editor, okay, and in here you go to apps here, and I go down to GWD right here, and over here you have a few options. The first thing you want to do is this opacity here. Now this is for like the title bar up here, right? You can change the opacity of that and have it a little transparency. So you want a value between 0 and 1. So this is at 1 by default now. Probably change that to like .03 or something like that. And you see it has a little transparency now, right? Same thing for this other one. You want to change it to a value from 0 to 1 to whatever you like. I'm not really sure. Let me see. 5 or something. I don't know. And that's for the Meta City themes and shit. So that's basically it that I know about theming. Um, I mean with transparency. I mean, either that or the Windows decorator or some kind of theme that. But as far as true transparency, I don't see that happening yet. Okay. So that's it. That's mainly it. Let's see what the